Hey guys, Brett Wilkin here with Revive. I just want to talk a little bit today about my 3 favorite products that I like to use the most. My first is going to be Glucose RX. The reason for that is right now I'm consuming a lot of carbohydrates in my diet, and many other bodybuilders are. So what that does is it helps the conversion of the carbohydrates into glucose that gets stored as glycogen in your muscles. So the more efficient you are in that process, the faster you're gonna be able to gain muscle, and so you'll be able to consume larger meals more often. So I take about twice a day, I take 3 pills with my 2 largest carb meals, and then soaks everything up from there. My second favorite product is the omega-3s. The reason for that is just because in the past I've always had to use omega products and fish oils, and you have to end up taking 4 to 6 every day, and you sometimes forget, or it's just a continuous process throughout the day. With this product, it's so highly concentrated that you can just do one to 2 pills in the morning and be good and get all your essential fatty acids in for the rest of the day that you can't get from your food otherwise. All right, my third favorite product is the collagen product, mainly because the wear and tear on our bodies, we want to keep our joints fresh with different products. Collagen is really good at the joint support, also in the regeneration of your hair and skin. So I take it every morning with like a green shake or just with my breakfast to be able to support the joints with all the heavy lifting, heavy training internally and externally.